Hello, all of you out there who are looking for a stated income loan, a stated income HELOC to be specific. That's what you probably searched when you came across this video. And I want to let you know what is and what is not available right now. If you're looking for a HELOC just because you're trying to cash out equity, then what you might need is a stated income cash out refinance. Some people that have no loan balance just want a HELOC because they're just trying to cash some equity, want to have a line of credit. Most lenders that offer the program do not offer it in the form of a HELOC, meaning you've got a first mortgage already and now you want to take out a line of credit for an additional amount where you may or may not use it or ever tap into it. That you will have extreme difficulty finding. I'll tell you right now that it's likely not available as a HELOC, home equity line of credit. You might be able to find a home equity loan or a second mortgage that's stated income where you take out the additional funds, but you take it out all at once, not as a line of credit. But you should also talk to us about a cash out refinance, because depending on what your current rate is with your first mortgage, it may make sense to just wrap it up into one loan and do a cash out refi. So again, stated income HELOCs are very rare, but we can help you to get the equity out of your home. Minimum credit score is going to be in the low 600s to do this, and you will not have to document your income. So just visit dreamhomefinancing.com, and we'll put the link down below in the first pinned comment and also the description where we'll help you there. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.